How to sponsor parents for immigration with Form I-130. Imagine being able to bring your parents to live with you in the United States and start a new chapter together. That's what family-based immigration is all about. If you are a U.S. citizen and want to sponsor your parents, there is a clear process to follow. It begins with filling out the right paperwork and making sure you meet all the requirements. First, you need to be a U.S. citizen. Green card holders cannot sponsor parents. Your parent must be your biological, adoptive, or step-parent with some specific conditions. You will need proof of your U.S. citizenship, like a passport, naturalization certificate, or birth certificate. You also need proof of your relationship, usually your birth certificate showing your name and your parents' names. If your parents are married, include their marriage certificate. If your parent was previously married, provide divorce decrees or death certificates to show those marriages ended legally. Make copies of your parents' passport pages for identification, and include any legal documents if names have changed. Next, you fill out a form called the Petition for Alien Relative, which is officially called Form I-130. You must complete one form for each parent. Be careful to fill out the form accurately, matching all the information with your supporting documents. Once completed, you submit the form either online or by mail to the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services. Remember to include all supporting documents and pay the required fee, which is currently around $120. After submitting, you wait for USCIS to review your petition. They will check your documents and verify your relationship. Sometimes they may ask for more evidence, called a request for evidence. If your petition is approved, the next step depends on whether your parent is inside or outside the United States. If outside, the case moves to the National Visa Center for processing. Your parent will then apply for an immigrant visa at a U.S. consulate abroad. If your parent is already in the U.S., they may be able to apply for adjustment of status to become a permanent resident. As the sponsor, you also need to show you can financially support your parent. This is done by filing Form I-860 for the Affidavit of Support. It proves you have enough income or assets to support your parent and prevent them from relying on public assistance. A few practical tips for Latino families. Start gathering documents early, especially birth and marriage certificates. These might need translation or official certification. Keep copies of everything you submit. Double-check that all names and dates match perfectly to avoid delays. If your case has special circumstances like adoption or step relationships, consider consulting an immigration attorney. The process can take several months or even over a year, so patience is key. Stay in touch with your parent throughout the process to help them prepare for the visa interview or adjustment of status. By following these steps carefully and preparing your paperwork well, you can help your parents join you in the United States and build a new life together.